Okay, so you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now we said that the dates here we want to be able to remove them so that Power BI doesn't give us the dates dots. So we are going to go to data view. We will see it on our calendar right now. So I'm going to go to table tools, and can you see mark as date table? Yes, I'm going to click that mark as date table. And when I click mark as date table, I'm going to select dates. So I want to select these dates. That is a column. So there's going to validate successfully, and that is good. So now if I start calculating now, you will not see the dates anymore. So now this video is for us to see same period last year. So what is same period last year? Same period last year means January 2014. What did you make in January 2013? February 2014. What did you make in February 2014? But right now, because we have September, October, November, December in only this data set, I think the answers that will be given us will just be only these few. But the real thing is that whenever this data begin to automate, everything will begin to work fine. And that is the good part about working with this data set. So you just begin to work and begin to work fine. So now let's go on and let's create a new measure for same period last year. So I'm going to call it SPLY, same period last year, equals to, then we still continue with our calculate, because calculate helps us to modify a filter context. So now what is our expression is still total sales. Total sales, open bracket. So we're going to look for a function called same period last year. So there's a function already called same period last year. So return a set of dates in the current selection from the previous year. So we're going to do that, and we're going to do calendar, and we're going to do dates. Date. Do you notice that you not see the dates, dot month, and stuff like that? Yeah. So we've done that correctly. So we're going to click enter, and it should give us same period last year. So can you see now? So 4.484, so you can see it, so and something like that. So now the next one we want to do is our year to date. So which one is our year to date? So year to date means that for every month that you're going to, what is the addition of it? So what is the cumulative result or cumulative sales of your data set? So at a particular period of time. So right now we are in December 2014, so it's going to be adding them. So you should add September, October, November, December. Then you should start again from January and start adding them up as we go on. So we'll be doing our normal calculate again, and we use another expression called our total sales. Then we have our date YTD. So date YTD is what we'll be using, date YTD. So you return a set of dates in a year up to the current date. So that is what you do, up to the current date. Then the calendar date, and we close our brackets twice. Then we do it and we bring it in. You're going to see it now that it's going to add them together. Have you seen it? So 4, 13, 21. So it's adding the current ones, and as it's going, is adding them. And you notice that immediately goes to December, you have 26 million, and it starts again from January, and it starts adding them up to December. So now there are two ways to do year to date, and we're going to use the second way. So the first way is what we have done. It has calculate. You have to do calculate. The second way we won't use calculate. So let's look at it, and let's see. And let's load this. So we're going to do year to date 2. We just name it year to date 2, so that we can know the differences. And this time we're going to use something called the total year to date. So now total year to date, we have total MTD, total QTD. Total year to date now it has calculate embedded in it already. So immediately you click it, do you see that it still acts as an expression and date? So we just fill in the gap. And what is the expression? Our expression is total sales. And what is our date? Our date is the calendar date. Close brackets, and click enter. So now we're going to click this, and you notice that it still gives us the same result. So anyone that you want to use is fine. So an assignment for you is for you to calculate previous year, for me, and in the chat, in the comments below, you can always put your calculation, and I will always see the calculation that you've done for previous year. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this introduction to DAX. We'll be doing advanced DAX later on, but you can make sure for you to be able to get information about it. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification.